Over 1,000 customers from Ghana and beyond. Love Link Positives Agribusiness Club, LPAC. As our commitment to members' success is unmatched. Don't believe us? Hear our member talk. LPAC has made my life a lot easier. Now I can earn extra income every month. Elizabeth Ontwi, Abuasi, Ghana. Link Positives Agribusiness Club, LPAC, is too good. My friends love it. Their fantastic support team is an icing on the cake. Samuel Kanadu, Cape Coast, Ghana. I can't imagine my life without LPAC. There isn't any other option I will go for. They are the best in the business. Philip Aborti, OSU, Ghana. Sounds awesome, doesn't it? Sign up as a member for the free plan today.